We did it. Day 69. 69 days ago, we started with literally print, hello world, and today? You can build ARPAs, scrape websites, detect faces, create AI chatbots, deploy apps to the cloud, and so much more. If you've been with me since day one, or even if you're just discovering this series right now, welcome to the finale. Today I'm going to walk you through everything we built, everything we learned, and most importantly, exactly what you should do next to become a Python pro. I've prepared 2 documents that I want to show you, our full series README on GitHub, and a complete Day 69 roadmap guide. So let's jump in. Alright, so first, let me show you something I'm really proud of. This is our GitHub repository README file. 69 days of Python, everyday Python. Every single day, every single video, organized right here. We split this journey into 10 phases. Phase 1, Python Fundamentals. Days 1 through 14. This is where we learn variables, data types, loops, functions, tuples, sets, dictionaries, all the building blocks. Phase 2, Intermediate Python. Error handling, file handling, rejects, sending emails. This is where things started getting real. Phase 3, Web scraping and automation. Beautiful soup, Selenium. We built a YouTube thumbnail downloader, a weather app, a crypto tracker, a newsbot. Phase 4, OOP. Classes, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism. And Phase 5, databases. SQLite, CRUD operations. We even built a full expense tracker and library management system. Phase 6, Fast API and GUIs. We built actual web ARPAs and desktop apps. Phase 7, data science. Pandas, Matplotlib, Plotly, stock analysis. Phase 8, computer vision and full stack. OpenCV, face detection, speech to text, Grok API, AI chatbot. And Phase 9, machine learning. scikit-learn, hand tracking, resume shortlisting, sentiment analysis, and we literally built our own Jarvis. And Phase 10, GitHub, cloud deployment, and your Python resume guide. And look at this, the tech stack we used across the series. Python core, Pandas, Beautiful Soup, Selenium, Fast API, Custom Tinter, SQLite, scikit-learn, OpenCV, MediaPipe. This is a real developer's toolkit. Every single day has a clickable YouTube link and source code in the repo. If you missed any day, go back and watch it. The link to this repo is in the description. Now let me show you the Day 69 document. This is your complete roadmap. This right here is a full recap of every single phase, every single day, and what you learned. Phase 1 through 10. Every day listed. Every topic covered. You can use this as a checklist. Go through it and mark what you've completed.